We often see AI as a creative tool, but today we are asking a deeper question. Can it be a tool for betterment through visualization? The answer is yes. We are diving into the 9 most profound day-to-day use cases for Google Nano Banana, Google's advanced image model. Every use case here is centered on personal development or societal benefit. Time takes a toll on our most precious memories. Old family photos or records of historical events often fade, crack, and lose detail, threatening to detach our visual link to the past. Upload that old image and simply ask Nano Banana to restore, recolor, and add missing details. Also, the power of this tool is its consistency. You can follow up by asking it to pick up any character and create a separate standalone image. It maintains their identity perfectly, ensuring your legacy is preserved for future generations. Maintaining a consistent, high-quality professional image for different platforms is a constant, costly hassle. Your weekend photo should not be your LinkedIn headshot. Nano Banana eliminates the need for expensive photo shoots. Upload your original image and use a prompt to instantly create a highly professional look. Add a formal suit to the original photo with a white background for LinkedIn. Then with a single follow-up, switch gears. Add a casual dress and a vibrant background for sharing on other social media sites, maintaining your core look while adapting to the platform. Renovating or decorating a home carries a high risk of making expensive mistakes. You buy a piece of furniture and it simply does not fit the vibe of your room. Solve this by pre-visualizing. Upload a photo of your living room and an image of a new bookshelf or sofa. Then prompt the AI to create an image of your living room using the new piece. You can even use it for decor, uploading a separate image like a custom wall post and asking the AI to create an image using the wall post as a background. This ensures every decision you make is confident and harmonious. Ambition can be abstract, and motivation can easily fade without a concrete daily reminder of your potential. Solve the motivation problem by visualizing your future self. Upload your original image and ask Nano Banana to generate a photorealistic image of you as a NASA scientist or a successful entrepreneur or whatever you dream of becoming. You can then make this visualization a wall post or a screen wallpaper. This powerful daily image acts as a constant source of motivation to work towards that big goal. Traditional kids' educational materials lack personal context, which can limit the imaginative power that is crucial at a tender age. The solution is personalization. You can introduce your own kid's photo creatively into the scene of their existing books, into their rhymes, into their stories using Nano Banana. This makes rhymes and stories incredibly interesting, expanding their imagination as they see themselves participating in the scene. In this way, you create an entire storytelling book that is highly personal, making kids' education more powerful. You can even use tools like Kling to create short videos for the rhymes by providing first and final frame. Before we launch a new product or a piece of merchandise, the cost of creating physical prototypes for testing is incredibly high, leading to significant money loss if the design is rejected. Nano Banana allows you to create hundreds of variations of your merchandise or ad placements before a single physical unit is made. This substantially reduces lost money. Similarly, while shopping garments online, you can use your picture and the garment's picture to make an image of yourself wearing that garment before purchasing it. This is highly useful for online purchases where you cannot try clothes on. Community groups and planners struggle to create quick, cheap visual mockups to get public and stakeholder feedback on inclusive designs. Upload a photo of an existing public space and prompt an edit like, redesign this intersection to include a wide, dedicated bike lane, accessible ramps, and a community art mural. This allows for quick, collaborative mockups, speeding up community benefit. In other case, a large, seemingly insurmountable problems like a polluted river can lead to hopelessness, hindering action. We can ask the Nano Banana with the prompt, transform the image of a highly polluted river into your visualization of a clean river with lots of trees, birds, and kids playing happily in the garden. This powerful positive visual provides a sense of motivation to work towards that motive. Local history and cultural heritage often feel abstract and distant, making it hard to connect with the past, especially for students in education settings. We can ask to generate a photorealistic image of a local historical site like reimagined as it would have looked in the year 1850 with the people in period dress walking by. This use case makes history immediately relatable and engaging for local residents and students, fostering a stronger sense of community and belonging. One of the biggest barriers to social understanding is the inability to truly feel the experiences of others, especially marginalized groups, leading to a lack of empathy and perspective. Nano Banana allows us to generate images that visually convey these daily challenges. For example, prompt an image depicting a student with dyslexia trying to read a textbook where the text is melting and swirling. Or a poor student dreaming of a college degree but his dream is slowly fading away prompt. These dramatic imaginative glimpses into others' experiences are invaluable for educational and sensitive training materials. The best part is Google Nano Banana is directly integrated into Google Gemini through 2.5 Flash model. You can start using the transformative capabilities of Google Nano Banana right now, both through your desktop and your mobile app. Now, a vital request before we wrap up. Nano Banana is an incredibly effective and powerful tool. But like any advanced technology, it is a mirror. It can reflect both great good and trivial pettiness. We have a shared responsibility to use this power for the right cause and purpose. Always aim to leverage its capabilities for the betterment of society and your personal development. Let's commit to not wasting its potential on cheap, unnecessary, or petty things, ensuring we maximize its impact for genuine, lasting change. Google Nano Banana is more than just an image tool. It is an engine for purpose. It empowers us to preserve our personal history, visualize our personal professional goals, and to cultivate the deep empathy necessary for positive social change. This technology puts the power of creative, aspirational visualization into your hands to better your life and your world. Now it is your turn. What positive change will you visualize first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this inspiring, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.